What's up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about the New York rapper Curtis 50 Jackson and his son Marquise. In a recent interview with TMZ, Marquise said he's willing to sit down with his father 50 and attempt to mend their relationship, even if it means paying 50 for his time. Probably it's a bit late, but who knows, maybe they can squash their feud one day. But if you remember guys, this week Marquise spoke about child support. 50 pays him $6,700 in month, and he said that it was not enough, and this statement that he wants to fix his relationship with his dad comes after the previous statement, and it seems that it's about the money, because if it was about the relationship, then why he spent the entire interview talking about money? But Marquise says he's matured and feels he and 50 should be able to agree or disagree about issues without going at each other's throats. So guys, before I ask you our question of the day, let's check this out, the interview of 50 son on TMZ. Come on.
I'm definitely willing to sit down with him and so I can hear his perspective and gain a little bit of understanding. I mean, like, we're both men at the end of the day.
Man, I think that Marquise wants money, but 50 ain't falling for that, cause 50 is genius and a real OG. But if he's honest and he really wants to rebuild his relationship with his father, it's cool cause they are still family, and at the end of the day they are both men. I hope they will squash it one day. It will be good if they really sit down and speak about the situation. So guys, before I finish the video, let me ask you a question of the day. Tell me what you all think about Marquis' statement on 50. Do you think that they will end their beef? Write your opinions in the comments below and stay tuned. In the next episode I will show you guys 50 respond to Marquis' statement. So thanks for watching. It's hip hop channel YTV. If you like the video's content, subscribe to the channel, also get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.